What's up, YouTube? Okay, right now we are talking pavers, and we do a whole lot of paver maintenance. One of the things that people who own pavers know about, but the new paver owners need to understand, is the consideration for paver maintenance. And I want to talk about the most important aspects of maintaining your beautiful pavers in this video. Now, there's two big pieces to the paver repair that we're going to cover. The first step, most of the time when we're dealing with pavers, is going to deal with paver blocks that are out of place. And the first product that we're going to talk about, and we are an experienced installer of the Surebond products, and this is a professional commercial strength product that we have had outstanding results with, and we know will work in every application that we've used it for our customers. So the first step, what we'll do is find wherever there are loose pavers. This is very common, as you see depicted here, in these raised areas. So many times these guys get loose, and even in other places. So we'll use the SB10 to glue those guys back on after preparing it, of course, and making sure that those pavers are ready to be reinstalled. Once we've finished reinstalling all the pavers, now it's time to do the maintenance tasks. And typically that includes cleaning, and based on the type of stain, we use the correct Surebond product. Here in Florida, you get a little bit of everything on your pavers once they've been down for a while, and no matter what it is, we can get it out using the Surebond products. The primary product that we use a lot would be the oil extractor, and this is obviously for those oil leaks. On average, we use the SureClean, which is your standard maintenance cleaner. This is what we'll use when the pavers are just generally dirty. The Efflow Clean is for a particular buildup that we find in the beaches communities. You'll also see this with some glaring that's kind of visible on the surface of the pavers. So we use the Efflow off. And then for the areas where there are some rust, this is very popular for areas that get stained from irrigation. We also use this product for cleaning rust stains off of fences, and we've used it and found results in some other applications. So once we've cleaned the pavers, then it's time to lock in that clean finish, that like new finish, and that's where we go to the final piece of the Surebond products, and based on the desired finish, we'll choose one of the final three. And I want to give you a fancy demonstration. This is using extreme high technology right now to demonstrate the three types of sealant. You have the SB 7700, 1300, and 8700. Okay, and there's different features with all three. Now the 7700 is very popular for the areas around the pool or near jacuzzis because of its antifungal film protection. Now the 7700, in terms of its finish, is much more matte. You can see this block where it's noted for 7700 is it's unnoticeable. It's not very glossy at all. The area in the middle is the 1300, and this is the more of a natural look, but it has a little bit thicker sealer. And then you have the 8700, which is your high gloss, your wet look sealant. Now what I'm going to do now is use my high-end special effects to demonstrate. This is really high-end stuff you're witnessing. So you can see how the water pours off there, and this is what locks in the color of your pavers and prevents them from fading so quickly. And so the last step after we clean your pavers is to put on the sealer. Give us a call at 904-321-9181, and we'll go through the process of determining which product we need to use to remove which type of stain and to ensure that we have the adequate sealer that you would like to have for your property. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe, share. Till the next time. Peace.